What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna be giving the Mustang a little facelift. So I have a 03-04 Cobra bumper that I bought quite a while ago that I think I'm finally gonna get around to putting on. It's unpainted, just primered, and yeah, it's gonna look a hell of a lot better than what's already on there. As you guys may know, the Mustang's looking pretty rough because the previous owner was an Amish gentleman during Rumspringa who followed this rule that all cars they drive during this time, they also share it with Mennonites, I believe, that the bumper must be black. So they took black primer paint and they went over the entire car, and that's it, just black primer paint. And well, you're gonna see what it looks like if you haven't already seen it before in one of my other videos. Eventually I do plan on painting it Gulfstream Aqua, but that's not here nor there right now. So for right now, it's just new bumper time. And yeah, I had to walk over to it because my landlord won't let me park it in front of my house. So I park it across the street, and it looks real weird walking like this through the parking lot. So I'm gonna get over here, get you guys a cold start, and then be on the way with the rest of the video. See you guys then. Alright, so I'm in the car and you got your cold start, and now I'm going to move the car over in front of my house where I can put the bumper on and you guys can see how much better it looks compared to the old bumper that's quite frankly very ugly because the rain has washed most of the primer away, but there's chunks here and there and it just looks god awful. So I'll let you guys see it and you'll just see how much better it looks. Okay guys, so here you can see what I'm talking about, where the paint is just awful. And yes, it is a V6. I bought this with the purpose of coyote swapping it, so I didn't see the point in buying a GT or a Cobra when I just wanted to swap it. So, but in order to get this bumper off, you have to take off this clip, and I believe these other 4 clips, and then there's a screw on that side and a screw on that side, and then on the inside there's 2 11 millimeter bolts, and then underneath of the car I believe there's anywhere from 3 to 5. I have to check again for clips underneath, just along the middle, and I believe 1 on either side. So that's all there is to it, and I'm gonna go grab the bumper and get this thing on. Okay guys, so I looked it up real quick and it's actually only 2 clips on the bottom and the middle, and then these along here is what you take out, and along with the 2 11 mil bolts on either side, that's it. So let me take a picture for the thumbnail and I'll get this on and you guys can see the whole process. Okay, so something I wanted to show you guys was, for whatever reason, mine were not the screws. These are supposed to have like a flathead screwdriver indent in them. So I just used my trim tool and popped them all out. That's something that's a little different about mine for whatever reason. But yeah, now I'm going to move on to the side bolts and get them done. So I'm probably not going to film that part because this GoPro is about to die. So I'll see you guys when I get done with either side. Alright guys, and there you go. That is the new bumper with an emblem on. This is the next day. I ran out of daylight to film, but yeah, there it is. So I hope you guys like the new look, and hopefully I can get that coyote swap in soon so don't have to not be able to back up the looks. But alright, I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.